Guys, Bollywood पे बिजली गिरी है, and I don't mean in the filmy way, I mean quite literally. A lot of Bollywood stars have taken to social media to express that they are shocked at the inflated electricity bills that they have all received and have questioned कि how are these figures even possible? Now, along with them, a lot of Mumbaikars are asking the exact same question and facing the same problem. Well, it does seem like Bollywood superstars and the common folk seem to be having their wires crisscrossing on the same issue. Here's the story. Amidst all the other difficulties facing Mumbaikars and B-Town right now, we have received a nasty shock from our shockingly high electricity bills. Many Bollywood celebrities have shared on social media that they have received bills that double or triple their regular amount and have asked the electricity providers for an explanation. वैसे तो हमारे कई सेलिब्रिटीज के आलीशान अपार्टमेंट्स और घर हैं and many have been paying bills in lakhs of rupees on a regular basis even before this issue began. लेकिन ऐसे भी कई एक्टर्स हैं जिन्हें इन एस्ट्रोनॉमिकल बिल से काफी झटका लगा है. तापसी पन्नू's बैंक बैलेंस को लगा इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल का थप्पड़. And the actor, who is currently in lockdown with her sister and sister-in-law, shared her shock and confusion with a social media post which also included a picture of her bill. 3 months of lockdown and I wonder what appliances I have newly used or bought in the apartment only last month to have such an insane rise in my electricity bill. Speaking to a publication about the issue, the actor said, "When I took it up with them, they said that due to lockdown, they didn't mention the right amount in the first 2 months. They charged us basis approximate reading and the bill was supposed to be higher for the first 2 months than what it was. That's why they have added the difference in the 3rd month." In addition to Taapsee, actor Soha Ali Khan and Neha Dhupia have also been interacting online on this issue after both of them received huge electricity bills. Soha shared a post questioning the electricity provider and even asked Huma on a microblogging site if she has received a response from the company. Are we just meant to accept these inflated electricity rates and pay them? We have received a bill that is 3 times our usual amount. Could you please explain? Soha wrote in a post. Soha's bestie Neha responded to her post and said, "Yes, same here. Can someone reply from Electricity Mumbai so that we are not left in the dark?" Taapsee had added that while the electricity company has offered an explanation as to how these amounts have been calculated, she still has her doubts. Taapsee added, "They don't have any proof of what our actual reading was. No one really recorded the reading and sent it to us until I raised this issue on social media. Now they have produced the higher readings. I am not sure if they are correct." While there is widespread panic and worry कि लोग इतने भारी bills कैसे pay कर पाएंगे, actor Dino Moria, who was also one of the first to raise the issue after receiving an inflated bill, has said that he remains optimistic about a solution being found. There are meter readings that can be cross-checked, and he hopes that if errors are found, those affected will be reimbursed by the provider. We hope so too, Dino. क्योंकि इतने सारे प्रॉब्लम्स के बीच अगर हमें ऐसे इलेक्ट्रिसिटी बिल्स आने लगे तो इट इज गोइंग टू बी सम हाई वोल्टेज प्रॉब्लम्स फॉर द आम आदमी एंड सेलिब्रिटीज अलाइक.